health lover. I'm just gonna do a quick fit check while I fix up Breakfast Club. So I've got my Messina Inter-Champion jacket. I think it's called bomber jacket. And then I've just got my brand new Poulet Abu t-shirt with some black pants. Yeah. It is Tuesday, so Tuesday means Pacifica Playgroup at my full-time work. So here I am cleaning, making sure that the floor is clean and safe for the children to play on. Then I have a meeting. Yeah.
So putting all of that together, it might sound like, I'm really glad that you told me. It sounds like things have been very difficult for you. You deserve to feel safe in your own home, and have you thought about what you want to do? If it was an adult, obviously.
After work, I went to the shops to post off some letters at the post office. It's $1.50 to send a letter in Australia. Crazy, yeah? Then I went to Aldi and purchased some food for lunches because I'm trying to reduce my spending on Uber Eats. Then I watched my favorite show, Handmaid's Tale. There are only 2 more episodes. I'm so sad but so excited at the same time.
They wanted us to look like we'd been dipped in blood. Some fairy tale figure in a red cloak.
And this is my attempt at getting the full moon when I went to yoga with Aura. Yeah, it's great footage. Absolutely love yoga. It is my new favorite thing. It's meditating, it's soothing, great stuff. If you have the opportunity to go, make sure to go. This is my card that was pulled, Divine Patience.